Hey everyone, I'm Jillee with One Good Thing by Jillee, and I have a terrific hack for you today on how to fold your t-shirts. They sometimes call it the 2-second process because it literally takes that long to do, and however long it takes you, it's super crazy fast, and you'll want to know about this trick. So all you're going to do is take a short sleeve t-shirt, or it works on short sleeve polo shirts too. You're going to lay it on a flat surface, and then you're going to draw an imaginary line across the horizontal in the center horizontal, another one in the center vertically, but we're going to worry about this line. We want to be halfway between this line and the edge. So this is where our second line is going to be. So we have one center horizontally and vertically halfway between the side and the middle. Where they meet is going to be called point A. The top of the line is going to be point B, and the bottom of the line is point C. You're going to pinch the t-shirt at point A, pinch it at point B, and then fold over and pick up and pinch it at point C. Now all I'm doing is uncrossing my arms, giving it a little shake, and then I'm using the flat surface I'm working on to finish the fold. And that is how easy it is to nicely fold a t-shirt that will stay nice and unwrinkled in your drawers or on your shelves. Let me show you a few more times. And it just doesn't get any easier than that. I love nice folded piles of t-shirts like this that look so nicely folded in my drawers and on my shelves. So go grab your pile of laundry from the dryer or that pile of laundry that's waiting to be folded and get started on your own. I'm going to keep going with mine. I hope you'll give it a try and let us know what you think. Have a great day, everyone. La la la